Some people just don't have enough patience for learning on how to script. That's why in this video, I'll show you the difference between those types of people and people who know how to learn scripting properly, and also show you the correct way on how to learn scripting.
Hi guys, my name is Joe and I've always wondered how people make games on Roblox. So I decided to make my own Roblox game. It's my dream. I heard that you have to use ROBLOX Studio to learn scripting, but I know nothing. So I'll just hop into ROBLOX Studio and figure out myself how to make a game. But how do I download ROBLOX Studio? Guess I'll ask my friend. Alright, I'm finally on ROBLOX Studio and now I have to click on a new base plate to start making me game. There we go. Now I can finally start doing the real work and make my dream come true. But how do I script? Oh, I'm not going to watch this. I need to find something else that doesn't take time to learn. Man, I want to finish my game quickly. OH, so this is all I have to do to start scripting. I never thought that it will be this simple. Alright, I will place a script and start scripting. There we go, and now I have to type. What will happen in the game? Alright, I'm done scripting. Now I will test the game. I hope it works. It's not working. I wonder why. I've done what I found in the website, but it's not working. Guess I'll just use Toolbox. I'll find a zombie model and I'll place it in the game. There we go, a cool zombie model for my cool game. The game can't be fun without a gun, so I guess I'll take a gun model too, because why not? Finally, I made my dream Roblox game. I'm having so much fun. Now I can call myself a pro developer and work for people.
Bro, you should go learn ROBLOX Studio right now.
So after what the hamster said to me, I decided to learn. But before I have to do some research. I need to know which language ROBLOX Studio use for scripting. So it's Lua. Now I think I have to learn the basics before doing anything. After I finish learning, I should practice what I learned in order to improve, because I can't hop into making a game without knowing anything about how the engine works. This is really cool. I did practice what I learned, and I think I'm doing well. So I guess I'll just keep going, and even if it takes me years to improve, I'll just keep going.
I hope you guys learned the lesson from this video. Never hurry into making a game while you know nothing. Alright, have a nice day and stay safe.